Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages. God, look at that view. Just beautiful. Okay, so, ta-da! We have a door off. So, the owner is going to send this out to get it fixed, which is going to be a lot of repair because this door really needs some help. If not, we're probably going to make a trip to Arizona to go get another one. But now you guys can really see, because I mean, I had to label and bag everything up there. This was rough. Absolutely nothing wanted to come off easy. You guys saw the bolts earlier on the other video to get everything out. But it did. It finally came out. So I'll get this all cleaned up and blown off, and we'll get some plastic on the back end so we don't have any creepy critters getting in at all. But this one's going to be kind of a short one because I've got a lot going on today. So on that note, see you guys on the next one.